So in this video we'll see how to download and install CodeBlocks, which you can use as a text editor for C, C++, Java and also a few other programming languages. So first you have to open your web browser and you have to come to this site codeblocks.org, and after coming here you can see that there's this downloads section right here, downloads link. So you just have to click here, and here you will see many options and you can get confused. So follow this video till the end so you can know which version to actually download, so there won't be any errors when you download it. So first we have to click here this first link, that is download the binary release. Now you can see here you have an option for Windows right here, then you have one for Linux and then Mac OS. Okay, so as we have to download for Windows, when we have to download a setup file, but which setup file? Not this first setup file, because it does not have a compiler. We also need a GNU GCC compiler if you want to run C, C++ or any other compiler if you want to run any other programming language. So what we're going to do is we're going to download this one that says MinGW setup.exe. Okay, look carefully. This one, CodeBlocks 20.30 MinGW setup.exe. Now this is for 64-bit. If you're using 32-bit, there's again one file for 32-bit as well. Okay, and now you have to select where you want to download it from. There are two sites. First is the FOSS and the second is SourceForge. Okay, so let's just click this FOSS one, and now here you can see the first option itself. Okay, download will also start automatically, but the first option itself is CodeBlocks Windows 64-bit including compiler. So this is the one we have to download, and this will be the one that will be downloaded. You can also check other ones, but we have to only download it with the compiler one. Okay, so we just download this first version. Okay, and after it's downloaded, go to your downloaded file and just click enter. You have to click yes when a pop-up appears, when it asks if you want to allow it to make changes. So just click yes, and you can see this pop-up of CodeBlocks that appeared, and now we just have to click next. I agree, leave everything to default. Now you see compiler is also present here. Click next, click on install. Now it will start extracting and installing on your device. It will extract all of its file onto your device. Okay, so this process might take some time, so just hang on and see what we have to do next so that we can start using CodeBlocks on our system. Now you can see there's an option that has appeared. Do you want to run CodeBlocks now? So just click yes so we can see if it is installed successfully. Just click next here and finish. And now CodeBlocks window will open up as you're installing it for the first time, so it might take some time again to install and again to open up or run. Now here you can see after CodeBlocks open up, it asks if it is not the default application for your C, C++ source file. So yes, just let it be. And now you can see now that CodeBlocks has been installed.